Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see that why we use thermistors in our 3D printers instead of thermocouples, and also we will see that when we will use thermocouples. So to know that, first of all we need to know that why is temperature matters in our 3D printer. So why we need to know the temperature of our nozzle? As you know that different filament has different temperature like PLA, ABS, peak, PETG, TPU. You know that every filament has different melting temperature. So we need to know the exact hot end temperature so that we can set the value of temperature according to our filament. So this is the main reason that we need to know the exact temperature. So there are two ways to measure temperature. The first one is thermistor and the second one is thermocouple. So thermistor is actually a temperature sensitive resistor that works with the resistance changes. That means when the resistance changes, the temperature also changes. So the relation between resistance and temperature depends upon which type of thermistor we are using. If we are using NTC thermistor, then it means temperature and resistance has opposite relation. That means inverse proportional both. And if we are using PTC thermistor, then temperature and resistance are directly proportional to each other. That means if temperature will rise, the resistance will also increase, and that if resistance is decreasing, the temperature will also decrease. So most common type is 100 kilo ohm NTC thermistor. That means at room temperature its resistance will be 100 kilo ohm, and as we will increase the temperature, the resistance will decrease down. So its range is between 0 to 300 degrees centigrade. And if we talk about thermocouple, then thermocouple works with two different metals joined. That means when we will join two different metals, it will generate tiny voltage when we will heat it. So it also needs an amplifier chip, and it has a wide range. So up to 1000, and it can also go up to 2000 degrees Celsius. And so it needs more noise filtering circuitry. So the question is why we use thermistors. So the reason behind why we use thermistor, the first reason is cost. Thermistors are actually cheaper than the thermocouples. So the first reason is cost. The second one is accuracy. Thermistors works better at low temperature, while other hand thermocouples works better at higher temperature because thermistors are more sensitive than the thermocouples. That's why they can detect the minor change in thermistors. So that's why at low temperature we use thermistors instead of thermocouples. The third reason behind that it's simple circuitry. So for thermistor we just need to attach two terminals or two pin connector on the board. But for thermocouples we need to add an extra chip, and also it needs different circuitry for attachment. So the fourth reason is also the size of it. As you know that thermistor has 2 to 5 bead size at the tip of thermistor that is attached to the heater block in the hot end. So a small size of thermistor is also the reason that why we use thermistors. While on the other hand, thermocouples require larger probe and cable, and it has more complex hot end integration. So that's why we don't use thermocouples in our daily uses 3D printers. And when we will use thermocouples, so we will use thermocouples when we require higher temperature like 350 to 450 or greater than 500, like in industrial 3D printers, metal sintering, ceramic printing, where we require 800 degrees Celsius. So we can use thermocouples there, or we can say that printers above 400 degrees Celsius we can use thermocouples where thermistors cannot survive. So we can also use thermocouples as research applications. So These are the reasons that why we use thermistors in our 3D printers instead of thermocouples. So as you know, low cost, better accuracy, simpler electronics, and compact size. These are the four main reasons behind thermistors. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more interesting videos on 3D printer electronics. And see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.